Hi, I'm Dr. Randi Smith. I am the principal at Ettrick Elementary School. I've been at Ettrick for 9 years, and through that time as the principal, we have developed a really strong partnership with VCU and the RTR program. We started 7 years ago. Well, I've been here 9. We started 7 years ago with RTR, and it really came from a need. We were struggling as a school. We had not met accreditation, and part of the problem with reaching accreditation standards was sustaining a quality teaching staff that was here and ready to do the hard work to help our students get what they need educationally. And when you have high turnover, having to train teachers year after year after year, you just don't get that consistency in instruction or the high quality because everybody's always in training. So Kim McKnight talked about this great program, RTR, and that it might help us with generating that quality teaching staff and putting us in a sustainable position. And RTR did just that. So 7 years ago, we started with 3 mentor teachers and 3 residents from VCU, and from there the program has grown to 22 now in Ettrick, either mentors, residents, or graduates of the residency program. We have a great feeling in the building of professionalism, camaraderie, family. People respect where each other has come from and what they've given to education and to Ettrick. Everybody cares about our kids, and everybody knows the hard work that goes into it. And a lot of that sustainability has truly come from the residency program.